Hey, this is Dave at housebarons.com. Have you ever wanted to try to find a way to get rid of dandelions with a simple and effective method and yet not use the typical chemicals? We've got a solution for you. This is really pretty cool. It's just a household recipe and yet using it will do the same thing and really fast as well. And so, yeah, we'll show you how this all works out and maybe this will be a good alternative for you. Today, we're in the middle of a sandbox and we're on that perpetual fight of trying to get rid of weeds and get rid of them in a safe manner. Today we're going to look at killing weeds with a non-toxic weed killer. Basically stuff you have around the house, and we'll give it a shot in the sandbox because obviously we don't want to use your typical chemical Roundup or whatever weed killer in a sandbox where kids are going to play at. And so you may have need for using a weed killer in the garden, or where kids are playing, or even in your yard where you have kids and dogs and you want to keep it safe. All right, so what we have today is just your generic distilled white vinegar. You can find this at any grocery store. It's 5% solution. This is your common household vinegar. It's super low cost, a couple bucks for that whole gallon. And then I splurged and went and got a spray bottle for a whole $1.69. So all of this is under $5. So what we're just going to do is just go around and spot kill weeds. We'll use this, and we'll see how long it takes for it to become effective. All right, so we filled up our spray bottle, and we'll just go ahead and let's see if we can get this on a little more of a fan here. Spray it there. We're really just going to get all the weeds in this sandbox and around it. All right, so we just go ahead and spray on that. And now we'll let time do its work and we'll see what happens. Here you can see in these before and after pictures, you know, that's just 8 hours of time, and it's really quite a dramatic difference. And if something got missed, you can just go back and hit it again, and it'll work pretty effectively. If it's sunny out or if it's hot out, that's even better. It just helps dry it out faster. So be aware of that. Be aware of using it, that you don't overspray into things that maybe are a little sensitive, like flowers or shrubbery and that kind of thing. Hope this video helps. If you guys think out of it, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it. Please subscribe. We've got lots of videos coming. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot for watching.